Welcome back, guys, on to our new video. This time we're again on a discovery mode, as we did with previous tracks. But this time it's a special one, क्योंकि border पार से भी भेज रहे हैं हमें प्यार, and we had to react to one of the songs, Urdu rap. Yeah, I don't know anything. Sorry, guys. I have no idea about who these guys are, but you guys have been absolutely requesting us to react to these guys, and I wanted to do a reaction to our brothers and sisters in Pakistan. So I know one of the songs they did with Krishna, and it was like really good, Quarantine. So
Okay.
I remember listening to that one. That's why I think you remember as well.
Yeah, it
But
must be
I
that.
don't really remember know their background or like any other songs they did. So today we are reacting to Young Stunners and this song. What is it called? Karachi Chal. So I thought, it just sounds like really familiar to like Bombay, Chal Bombay. I was like Karachi Chal, so something. I was like, okay, let's do this one then.
It sounds good. It sounds
Yeah,
it sounds like
Karachi
it might
Chal.
be upbeat. So
Yeah.
let's find out.
So by the way, मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं in Pakistan as well, because I've been living here for 6 years. I met a lot of Pakistani friends here in Leicester, and like they're really good. Like if you talk to them, it's literally like India in Pakistan as well. It's just a border, a physical border which divides our countries, but it's just all the same, mate. It's all the same.
Yeah.
So much love to everyone watching our videos in Pakistan. That's why we wanted to do this video for you guys.
Yeah, and we will need to kind of go out of the borders of India. So
Yep.
it's
Desi
nice
hip hop. So Desi
yeah.
hip hop. Bohemia, the biggest Desi hip hop artist is from Pakistan,
Yeah.
and it only makes sense to always like react to everyone in the Desi hip hop scene.
Yeah. And we
Divine
do
as
love
well represented like India and Pakistan in Bando Diaries as well. He said that.
yeah.
So yeah.
But I do love Pakistani music
Oh,
because
amazing.
they brought
Atif
out
Aslam.
yeah,
But,
The
yeah.
Rock and all of that stuff. Ali Zafar, Atif Aslam, and
Yeah.
I just remember Jal and everyone. So
Jal, Jal and Raid.
I do
Alright,
love.
let's come back to hip hop. And guys, let me know what do you think about the greenish background I did for this Karachi Chal and all the vibe. I just wanted to do it. It might be just stupid, but yeah, small things matter. Let's get straight into the track. Okay, let's go. Moment.
Yeah, it's your boy Yas, Young Stunners.
I'm Yash with the H.
I claim, so you wanna claim?
Oh,
We taught him how to rap about your pain.
It's in English.
Stunning.
what?
The
Hold
silent.
up. They said it was Urdu rap,
I didn't think it
and
was
it's
gonna
got
be
like
English.
a really nice hook starting off in like English. I claim. So what? Come on, that's a plus for us, especially for you.
Yeah, for me it is.
Yeah.
I'm still running. हमें शक है तो कराची चल आके देख किसका जोर है कराची पर ए छोड़ तल
Straight into
तू
it.
आज ही चल मेरे आगे कराची ना कर शबाहुर
What
कराची
does
चल
this mean, Shabahur?
आके देख किसका जोर है कराची पर ये छोड़ कल
I like
तू
it.
आज ही चल
I like it.
मेरे आगे कराची ना कर तीर के कमान जैसे कलमदान अलम ऊंचा तो कौन हुआ अलमदार
Alright, I'm gonna be straight up honest. Half of the words is just going bouncer. क्योंकि मैं मुंबई से हूँ, and you're from here, so half of the words I'm not aware of, like alam ucha. What the hell is alam? It's like, what is it? Like Urdu is is such a nice language, and it has like these really heavy big words, and I have no idea what he's talking about. Alam ucha to I can only understand like basic
Yeah.
things.
Sometimes you expect that you're gonna understand more of it.
Especially like
But-
what is
yeah.
shabahur?
Yeah.
I like the
let
word.
us know down below
Yeah.
what is Shabahur.
Like shabahur, and the way he says it, like oh my god, it's just Karachi na kar shabahur. I'm like, what? Come on, what's that? Alright. My first look is just really good, and it doesn't feel like I would say your normal like Hindi rap or your Urdu. I don't know. I've never really heard Urdu rap, but it doesn't feel like a standard, stuff. Feels like something different. Like proper like heavycore rap stuff. I feel like that.
I kind of understand what you're saying. Like,
Yeah.
I
Like from the
expected it.
EP. Yeah, like from the EP of A Tale of Two Talas, like Karachi Chal, and it's got like the color. It's just completely different story. It
Yeah,
feels nice.
yeah. I expected it to be more like musical wise, to be a bit more.
Yeah. Asian-y?
Yeah, like yeah, but it's not. It's like normal hip hop.
Yeah, it's very good. I love it. I
I
love
do
it.
like
the
it.
start, the hook is good. And
The
it sounds
music is
even
good.
better in English, and then it goes really well with like Urdu. Alam Ucha. I was like, yo, what the hell is that? Oh, it's so good. Just let us know, guys, all these heavy words, what they mean in English or Hindi, please.
Yeah,
That would
just
be a
make
massive
like a
help.
translation.
Yeah, please. But it just sounds good.
मेरे यार सरहद पार से भी भेजें प्यार
Always.
दिल टूटा तो फिर जाके नोट जुड़े चार
हाँ.
ब्लेड से लड़ते थे स्कूल के बाहर अब ब्लेड की तरह ही स्वाइप होते मास्टर कार्ड अब
I understand that and I love that. Yo,
Very
me.
nice.
He's like, school के बाहर हम लोग लड़ते थे. Oh, everyone knows like those fights back in the days in the school, how it goes. Blade से लड़ते थे और वैसे ही swipe हो रहे आज master card. That's good. See, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like, same thing happens in India as well, and we all
Yeah.
relate to all these lines. What he's saying is that kind of like unity we have, but it's just politics and we don't want to get there.
Same
Anyway,
thing happens here as
yeah,
well.
yeah. Very good, very good. Let's stay on track.
Stage fright come frightening stage से ज़्यादा I'll tattoo an AK so I feel like राजा कौन बीफ शुरू करे कौन एंड करे किसके चार गाने बैक टू बैक ट्रेंड करें
End करे, trend करे, grind करे,
फाइन भरे
Lord,
माइंड
whoa,
ओवर मैटर और हम काबिज तेरे माइंड पर हैं 2008 उर्दू रैप स्टार्ट 2020 करता 8 फिगर चार्ज
Ooh,
I like it. 2008
That was
Urdu
really
rap
good.
start. 2020 8 figure charge.
good.
Profit मेरे नीट I don't need to be a star Dumb motherfuckers सिर्फ फोन इनके smart Day one motherfuckers अभी छिड़के जान जहाँ गया नहीं वहाँ भी है जान पहचान कराची मेरा ही है बेटा तू मान ना मान तेरा सीन सेंटीमीटर तू जान Claim, so you wanna claim
The hook.
We taught him how to rap
bangs.
about your pain Young,
Hook bangs.
stunning, 10 साल and I'm still
running.
running तुम्हें
Yo.
शक है तो कराची चल आके देख किसका जोर है कराची पर ए छोड़ कल तू आज ही चल मेरे आगे कराची ना कर शबाहुर
I wanna know what that means, man.
कराची चल आके देख किसका जोर है कराची पर ये छोड़ कल तू आज ही चल मेरे आगे कराची ना कर
आरजी रैपरों का आना
I
जाना
just
फर्जी
listen to
है
the guy now.
मेरे फ्लो में इतनी गर्मी अंडरग्राउंड से मैं लेबल आजकल वैरियों के लहजों में भी नरमी है आके पूछ मेरा नाम रियल लाइफ मेरे हाथों में जंजीरें और थानों में तस्वीरें हैं मैंने जुर्मों से जो रंगी मेरे हाथों की लकीरें हैं रब
Some
से
criminal.
मांगी हैं दुआएं मैंने बदली ये तकदीरें हैं मैं देता गालियां इंडस्ट्री वाले देते दोष लिखे गीत मैंने भी गवा के होश लोअर स्पीड जब से हुए मेरे केस क्लोज आजकल
This guy has like a really deep voice, and
I
like,
like his voice.
it just
I really like it.
like it went, and now he's like he's like really smoothing it out the
Yeah.
track. Oh, this guy's I think Yas was the way it's written. Talanjum Yas Tala Yunus. I'm guessing that guy's Yas. Seems like some criminal in Pakistan who's now turned into a rapper.
Brother Yas.
Yes. So let me know, guys, if I'm correct or we're chatting some shit. So let us know, guys, in comments below, please. But till now, it's so good, isn't it?
I
कॉल
really like
करते
it.
यार दोस्त
Yep.
यासिर खान जैसे स्टार
That's
राजा
it.
इंस्टाग्राम पे करे मेरी पोस्ट न जाने क्यों मेरी एक्स करे टेक्स्ट
Oh,
रोज
रोज,
पूछे
रोज।
हाल मेक्सिको से माफिया के ड्रग लॉर्ड्स लेके ड्रग्स रोज लिखे बोल मैंने कातलाना वर्ड
Mafia से पूछे मेरा हाल drug loads, लेके drug rows, loads and rows. Very good, very good. Wordplay.
मेरे ड्रग डोज यंग स्टनर्स
Those
रियल वंस मेरे
bros.
दोस्त कराची से एच टाउन आके पूछ मेरा नाम गलियों में है छापे मील रियल रैक्स अहमियत मुझे वक्त की खरीदी मैंने कीमती रोलेक्स
I like that line. I like that line. अहमियत मुझे वक्त की कीमती खरीदी मैंने कीमती Rolex. Because he's like, he knows the importance of time. So I like that. And he said Karachi se H town. I don't know what H town is. It's probably some slang in Pakistan for some place.
Another thing, other people can tell us what it is.
Yeah, exactly. Just guys, just put down an explanation, like explainer, like you shitheads, this is what it means.
SUVs trunk में coke pound pack big bags 3 case लेके फिरूं 12 बोरा लमा nuts hang
I claim, so you wanna claim.
Left, right, left, right.
We taught
That's
them
good.
how to rap about your pain. Young, stunning,
Taught them how to rap about your
Love
pain.
the
running.
love the
तुम्हें
hook.
शक है तो
Karachi chal, Karachi chal.
आके देख किसका जोर है कराची पर ए छोड़ तल तू आज ही चल मेरे आगे कराची ना कर
शबाहुर।
कराची चल आके देख किसका जोर है
कराची
कराची
पर।
पर ये
Yeah.
छोड़ तल तू आज ही चल मेरे आगे कराची ना कर
Nakar.
पत्थर पे लकीर जैसे लकड़ को आग दूं ये लफ्ज मेरे
That's the
अखीर
third guy.
जैसे वो फकीर कैसे जो मुनाफिक है मुनाफे पे हम दर्दी के लिए फाके बे ये खुदा से करीब कैसे मेहनत कर सिला देने वाली जात वो खुदा से डरे नाकों से देखे हालात वो जैसे ही रात हो सड़कें सुनसान पिस्टल बार ये कराची वाले राज ब्रो फिर भी न डरपन के सड़कों पे आधी रात को ओए बीफ बर्गर
Like it.
कराची या फिर बात चोट
Like it.
स्टोरी पे नर बने अंदर से ये लाल गोश्त
Oh.
उगलता आग में नवाब मेरा माल खो जान हाजिर कराची मारे जान राजर तभी कराची के लिए जान हाजिर यासिर खान हाजिर अपना गैंग राजर
Gang, gang,
निगे
gang,
पान
gang,
मादर
gang, gang.
डॉलर साइन क्वारंटाइन टीवाई राइम्स मदर छोड़ मैं आज भी ऑन द रोड पो हर नाके पे थी रोक टोक ब्रोक थे और वो मांगे नोट ब्रो म्यूजिक में पैसा नहीं था बेचने लगा डोप वोप ऑन द लो ये उसूल था खुदी की मौत से परचम हुआ मजबूर था रूप पोश पैसा नेमत पहनी वर्दी नहीं जब भी फाड़ेंगे मिलेगा सीने वाला दर्जी नहीं अलामतों की मर्जी नहीं
Loved it.
Is that it?
Loved the ending. I think it is. Yep, that's the ending.
I was just
Yeah, it
getting
was.
into it.
5 minutes, mate. It was 5 minutes
I
long.
was just getting into it. I could have heard another hook of it.
Another hook, yeah. The ending needed a hook. Now, I exactly know why these guys were hyping up these two, the Tale of Two Talas. They're really good, guys. They're really good. I like this particular track. I enjoyed it. Yeah. I claim, tell you. Oh, जो भी बोल रहा था यार, it was so good.
It reminded me of there's a lot of British Asian artists.
Yeah.
A lot of them Pakistani from India, but born here, and
Mm.
it reminded me of that. So a lot of them do rap, and just the music and the way they were like rapping.
Alam Ucha. तो ये वो.
But
you know?
yeah, I really, really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I loved it as well.
Enjoyed it. Even though I hardly
Beautiful.
understood it.
Yeah, she's just too sweet. That is just like I did relate to some of the lines. Obviously, he was talking about apart from the beef burger and all that. But yeah, I related to half of the stuff he was saying. It was so good,
Yeah.
very good. I loved it. Okay, so let us know, guys, what other reactions you want us to react on.
Mm-hmm.
Songs, sorry. What other songs you want us guys to react on? And yeah, we'll surely do it for you. Do anything for the
Yeah.
culture.
Yeah. Any Any cultured hip hop I am interested in now.
Okay.
Yeah. I
Alright.
really liked Brother B, and now I like these guys.
Yeah.
So
I liked Fatal,
yeah, I like Fatal too. But
so you like everyone. Alright,
I like
never
everyone.
mind. Okay, we'll see you in the next video, guys. See ya. Take care. Bye.
Bye.